Disclaimer: just because we do it doesn't mean you should.
I think that's the short one. So I'll have to swap. Just remove it back up with the rig in your hand. Place this here.
Oh, you want that one? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna spray paint something real fast, and then I'll be right back.
Okay. Well, that's it.
So that's for that one.
This is for that one.
Okay. Oh, you didn't rivet all this yet, or you
It's
did?
all riveted. Yep.
Oh, you did. Okay.
It's all set to go.
Oh, so these ones, the long ones, they don't have the doubler then.
No, it's really strange. You think the
Yeah, I
double
hadn't thought about, or I hadn't noticed it or whatever.
So I'm gonna go ahead and corrosion proof these. Time for the anti-corrosion.
Anti-corrosion.
Anti-corrosion, yes. Get all the goop in there. You don't want this thing to melt. Can you imagine melting in the sky? That'd be terrifying.
Like that guy, that Icarus guy or whatever.
Icarus guy, I flew too close to the sun. I think, if I'm not mistaken, didn't he send his son up the plane? I can't remember.
Didn't he what?
I thought he sent his son, or somehow his family.
No, I
involved.
thought-
Maybe not.
no,
Maybe it's just
no.
him flying solo.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's good Icarus didn't take anybody with him.
Yeah, I mean, mostly what we're concerned about is like the mating surfaces. So like
I know.
the top, and bottom.
I'm going berserk though.
Yeah,
I like
which is
going
pretty
berserk with
standard.
corrosion stuff. Yeah, I would
Yeah.
say. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't get enough anti-corrosion. Okay, all you people out there, I know you can. Just want you to know. Who's watching?
Yeah.
Because there are people out there be like, why'd you put so much in there, man? Yeah, I know. I like it. It's fun. It stinks though. Stinky stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, this over here. Now, we can pull this off.
So here, you can put it. You can.
I'll slide it in there.
Oh, did you get all the sides?
All the sides,
Yeah,
yes.
you did go berserk. Okay.
All the sides and
Okay.
on top.
Wow. Wait, this doesn't match up. This is the.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't. Unless this can be rotated.
Okay, just gotta push it in. Jiggle wiggle, it'll go.
Oh. No, that's.
Yeah.
Well, the angle isn't right over here. This angle's not right.
Well, you gotta tilt it.
Is that all it is? You just
Yeah.
like that? Oh, okay. I thought it was supposed to like.
Yeah.
Wait, are there?
Yeah. Where'd it go? There's
None of the
one.
holes are matching up. No, that's.
Unless it goes the other
Nope,
way.
that's not right.
I don't know if that is. We need to look at a different piece. Okay. Good thing
Yeah, is this the inboard flaperon?
This is the inboard flaperon.
Well, because the inboards have this
Maybe put the metal plate on at the end.
metal plate.
Yeah, remember this plate from last season?
Yeah, I know, but but this needs to match up though. Because it'll match up in a few holes, so something isn't right.
Something is amiss. Not again. How could that be?
Well, I mean, you got these cutouts, right?
Cutouts are correct.
Inboard, pilot, spar,
Mm-hmm.
top.
Mm-hmm.
I'll bet you put the wrong end on.
End tip. Well, that's okay because I didn't rivet any end tips.
Well, that's good, yeah. I'll bet that's what it
End
is.
tips are bound-
Sorry.
Put that over here. And this one.
Oh, sure.
So. That's
Cool.
like a happier end tip.
Okay. Nice.
There you go.
Yeah. That's better. Okay.
Nice.
So now this, well, these holes actually need to be drilled
Now
out.
we
We can.
drill out those holes. That's what you say.
Yeah, that's exactly what I just said.
Well, we can.
Let's just make sure that these actually do. Oh yeah, these fit good. Oh wait. Wait a minute.
What now?
Are these supposed to be A5?
Yeah.
Because these ones are A5 and then
there's
these
a,
ones are A4.
Yeah. At the end, there's
Okay.
a plate that goes an L angle that you guys drill.
All right. I was just thinking it might be easier to just drill these out now.
To A5.
Yeah, just like this.
Okay.
I mean, does that make sense? Or
Sure. I don't mind.
I don't want to get into your flow.
You're not getting into my flow,
things,
man.
so.
I mean, whatever.
Okay.
The A5 bit, there's one
Sure.
right over there, probably.
All right.
I'll take my goofy gloves off. I think I'm done with this.
It's A4.
Well, maybe not. I'll just leave them on since you're going to be.
This should be A4. We'll go up to A4 first. All right, I'm going to narrate a little bit. Okay, so here we have the inboard pilot side flaperon. Dad did all the work on this thing, and so now we're going to, he's got the whole rib skeleton structure in there. We just put it in, we added corrosion protection, and we went ahead and drilled out these holes to A5 that hold this little L angle thingy. And then what we're going to do is we're clecoing the ribs so that everything stays in place as we try to bend this thing, bend this leading edge over. The other really smart thing that Dad did is bolted or screwed this 2x4 to the edge of the table here, so you can when you're holding this leading edge down, you kind of pull it towards you. And I have metal shavings on my hands, that hurts, which really helps a lot. And so we got
one disobedient spar here.
Oh, we'll just, what's that? Where's a pointy thingy? Oh, this will work. Oh, here, wait. Okay, I'm not gonna use that.
Let me take these out.
Oh, there we go. That's close.
There we go.
Close enough. It's kind of.
Sorry to ruin your narration.
Hang on,
there.
don't tighten it yet. That's okay. That's how it goes. There we go. Just kind of work it into place. I gotta take that one back out though, because the stuff goes over it. I mean, the leading edge goes over it.
So I'll loosen this one so you can go.
No, leave that. Well, okay, that's fine. Yeah. No, yeah, you can take it out.
This goes over this, not that.
No, it does. Oh, it doesn't go over. Oh, okay. Well, you can leave it. No, actually, that particular one has two.
These two.
Wasn't it? Well, doggone. All right, whatever.
I've been at this a while.
Yeah, I know. That's why I let you do this. Anyway, so and we're putting these sandbags, which I guess help keep the whole thing flat, keep this from like bubbling. Just kind of, you know, weigh down the skin. You want to make sure that you cleco the ribs on. Oh shoot! Wait a minute. I'm just remembering what happened last time. What we need to do is we need to rivet the
Spar.
we need to, I'm thinking here. Yeah, what we want to do is rivet all the spars in, or at least the other side. Because remember last time we did that stupid thing where we forgot to like rivet one side, and we tried to bend this, and it like all bowed up and stuff.
Yes. Good thing.
Riveting.
See? And then at the very end, they're doing this piece.
Yeah, because I mean you have to do that at the very end.
So so we should just Cleco everything.
Okay.
Flip it over.
Cleco everything. Rivet. Flip it over. Rivet.
Yes.
And then, well, I guess we've already Clecoed it. But yeah, I just realized that. Yeah, I gotta Cleco this one. Honestly, I don't think the sandbags make much of a difference personally, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I have been wrong once before. Once.
Just once?
Just once.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and we are gonna have to drill out, just
Yep.
for the viewers, I'm saying this, we're gonna have to drill out a couple of these holes that we forgot with the ribs. Here's my drill that I like.
There you go.
Where's the good drill? Oh yeah, it's that one.
This drill? Bring up the red.
No, I like this one.
Do you have a preference?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the difference?
This one's kind of less like torquey, smoother.
I think they're exactly older of the two.
I'm not sure. It's got this different. It's got a different gearbox on it. It's slightly. It's like the same length, but well, it's the one with the silver. Because this one, like it's. Well, if this is tight. No, tight. I don't know. It's not. Anyway.
That's the newer one.
Like it causes you to kind of move around a little bit more. Okay, so what we're doing now is we are putting rivets in the holes to get ready for riveting. And so we're both doing that, and then what we'll probably do is one of us will rivet, and then the other one will uncleco and then start putting new rivets in to be ready to rivet the second round, because we have a cleco every other hole to hold down the metal and keep everything just the way it needs to be before we actually rivet it. Oh, okay. Now some of these rivets have like burrs on the rivet itself, like from you know, when they're manufactured. And so I guess you could file those down, or sometimes you just have to kind of wiggle them in the hole, or maybe just sometimes they just fit better in a different hole, so you know, you might just try that. That looks like that one. I don't know. We might have to match drill these. If we have, oh, that one went okay. If we do have to match drill these, oh good. If we do have to match drill them, usually what we'll do is like we'll just skip the hole, and then once we get done putting all the rivets in, we'll come back over and then match drill all the holes. You know, it's the same size, and just make it so all the so that the rivet goes in nicely, like that hole right there.
You know, I took mine out and went in once I got the
Oh, it just you had to loosen it.
Cleco out.
Okay.
Because the Cleco was smacking it.
Well, but I mean,
That one
it's
looks
not
like you
really.
got a burr on that thing too.
Well, no, it's just that it's just everything is doesn't want to go in.
It's not aligned, is it?
No.
You need to drill that one out for sure.
Yeah, we'll just match drill that. Okay.
Do that real quick.
Yeah, so I guess that's those are the only ones we actually had to match drill.
There's one, that's not bad.
Yeah. Is this the right one? A4? Okay. Super. All right, so let's go ahead and let's see. We'll start from, I don't know, kind of the middle, and then we'll sort of tack it in almost. And then we'll do one like over here. And we'll do this one. Go back over here. So you can see how fast the actual riveting process goes, because like he's not even able to, you know, uncleco them and put new rivets in fast enough for me to be able to continuously rivet this thing. Pretty close though. That's why the riveting part is fun. What?
Getting you get this one, it's going to take 2 hands because it's kind of folding on the curve.
Oh, all right. Maybe we should get that one after we fold it.
Maybe we should.
I mean, I already got that one, so maybe it doesn't matter.
Well, I would do it.
Yeah, let's get it now. It'll probably help us fold it over, actually. Cool. Oh, we need to remember to not rivet those holes on this side, you know, for the where that L angle goes.
Yes.
Because I forgot to mark it.
Actually, should. Well, on the other one, we got to make sure we don't rivet the side either because it's got the plastic piece that goes in, but not this one. This is okay.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is the inboard
So
side.
go ahead
Right.
and rivet down here. Finish it.
Okay. I mean, we still got all those.
Well, okay.
That one doesn't fit. There's not enough clearance for that one. Oh, just this one on the tip here. There's not enough clearance for it. I think I remember that happening with the other one.
It's the Clico on the other side. That's the problem.
No, it's not. I don't think so. Maybe with this one.
Take it out.
Yeah, the other one, I think there's just not enough clearance for it. I think. Yep.
Can you, I may have to drill that out. See if that'll go in. If not, you know.
There we go.
I think this one I may have to drill out. Yeah, it's too tight.
Yeah, just the tiniest little bit. Okay, you have to hold that one down.
Nice job.
Yay!
Yeah, let's flip
That
this
feels
over
so
and
good.
get the other side. And then we'll do the grand fold. And then we'll call it a day.
Well, if you want.
Well, you can call it a day. I'm going to keep going. I was going to get that.
Well, I didn't say call it a day. I said take a break.
Oh, take a break. I like it.
Because
So now, let's see. Put the weights back on.
we could set this one down.
Oh, yeah. Now we can take it.
Oh, let me get the.
Clico catcher.
Yeah. Ow. Oh, there it is. It already caught some clicos. I mean, it caught some.
Yeah. Cotton Clico. We didn't catch them.
Where are we putting these? Oh. Yeah. All right, cool. Okay. The GoPro got full on memory and it locked up, so back to the phone camera. Ready? Yeah, I'll put it on the good first. Okay. Get one more on the other side of the grid. Go to another spot.
To the left?
Alright,
here.
Sure. We'll go to the left. Yeah, so this is definitely, I would say, a two-person job.
Yeah, I go with that.
Actually, I'm gonna put one here. So I'm going to mark out, let's see, these four? Is it 1, 2, 3?
Yeah.
No, I think it's these. I think these. Oh, it might be that one too. I don't know. We won't rivet those though. Cool. All right, so what we're gonna do now, last time, it's been a couple days, that flaperon is done. This is the last one. All my cameras were dying and being weird, so I didn't get to actually film too well of us folding this over, but this is the hardest part. Definitely a two-man job, and you really have to, because you have to bend this whole sheet over and hold it in place and cleco it, and that's what we're gonna do now.
All right. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Get yourself some.
Let me get my clecos.
I'll hold it and you click it and I'll jump in as soon as I can.
All right, so we'll start like somewhere in the middle, and then we'll kind of work our way to both ends. And you want to try and fold it over like, oh wow, okay, you're gonna have to, there we go. Out here a little ways. That way we can kind of.
They can jump out to the end.
Won't exactly center. Yeah. Ooh. There you go. Okay, let's
go ahead and do that. Go ahead and finish your end. Throw 2 more down.
Okay. It doesn't want to go. I think that's a pilot hole. Okay. Good enough. Let's go to the other side. Come on, buddy.
Maybe too much.
Here, let me get it. Let me get farther out here. Yeah, I can see they're not lining up super great. Whoa there, whoa there.
Slide this down.
Okay. Yeah. We're gonna have to do some mats drilling for sure, probably. For sure, probably. Okay. Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, and we'll just
Going in.
do every other one as best we can, just like so we're ready to rivet. They match up pretty good on this side. Yeah, they're matching up pretty great actually. There we go. Alright, now let's see. Before we rivet, is there anything that we're forgetting?
I think we're forgetting how much fun sheet metal is.
Yeah. Well, that's the last of these ones, and well, the only other big things are going to be the wings, because we've got the rudder and we got the elevator and
It's true.
stabilizer and stuff.
Drill most of all these holes out.
Yeah. One thing I found that helps though, like if it won't totally go in, is you like press down on the actual rivet with your your fingernail or your thumb, and then you wiggle it at the tip of the stem, so it gives you like more leverage to kind of wiggle it in place.
I think I just effectively got this stuck.
Yeah, it doesn't always work, but. All right.
Yay! Nice job, Adam.
Yeah. Nice job, you.
All right.
Man, it's good to have these things.
While you're off with work.
It's good to have these things out of the way.
Yes.
Well, most of it out of the way.
Nice.
There we
Good
go.
job there. Sandbags helped, I think.
Yeah, I mean, I think they do help just to keep everything, just to keep it from shifting around, I guess. Because these things are so lightweight. They might seem like they're heavy or something, but they're very light.
They are.
Look at that. Cool. That's nice.
We have air conditioning again.
All right. Wow. Okay. Well, I guess that does it for the Flaperon stuff. That's probably going to be the end of the Flaperon videos until we actually do more stuff like mount the counterweights and actually attach them to the plane and all that sort of stuff. I think. And I guess at some point we'll need to attach them to each other and add those little brackets that, add the brackets that allow the actual the Flaperon control rod to connect to it, and also the Flaperons to connect to each other. So, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it, right, Dad?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.